Good afternoon, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engines. Going to show you a quick tip fix for an oil leak. We're working on a 17.5 horsepower. It's an older model Craftsman mower, but these engines are on a lot of machines. Every time you change the oil, always check this. Right where your oil drain is, if you look, sorry about the shadows, sun's shining in here. Loose. These are real common to back out. All you need is a pair of pliers or a 15/16 wrench and just reach up here and tighten it up.